Excuse me.
Jerry, got some great stuff coming, good footage coming in on the satellite. 3 minutes worth
Hello.
of fade in.
Howard?
Yeah.
Very graphic.
Casey got hit by a car. He's all right, though.
What do you mean, hit by a car? When? Where is he?
Well, he's here. He's home with me. He's all right. He's not hurt.
Honey, listen to me. Now just calm down. Start from the beginning and tell me exactly what happened.
Well, I put him in bed and he fell fast asleep. He's all right, I'm sure.
I mean, why'd you let him go to sleep? You shouldn't have done that, honey. Jesus Christ, I mean, who hit him? How did this happen?
I don't know. I came home and he was here. He went to sleep. I should let him sleep, shouldn't I?
No, you wake him up and you take him to the emergency room. You got to get him looked at right away. Call Bob Winslow. No, wait, I'll call him. Just hang up the phone. I'll call you right back, okay?
All right. I understand.
Okay, don't worry. Everything's going to be all right. He's going to be fine.
Casey? Casey, we're gonna get up and have some milk now. Casey? Casey, Daddy's coming home. Casey? 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 Casey, wake up! Casey, wake up!